if you guys want to live a life of fantasy just like this, you guys want to travel around the world and do what you choose to, live the American dream, then make sure you guys and girls are getting into the 10x cheat sheet in the link below. We give you guys the 20 best coins in the cryptocurrency space that have the most hype, that are the most profitable, and most importantly, the most secure for you guys to make 10x plus on your money during this crypto cycle going into 2022. The 10x cheat sheet that I got coming out for you guys and girls who are needing bullish follow through and 100% buy-in levels and sell levels during this market cycle. We'll see a 10x to 50x during this market cycle. Hey guys, so welcome to the ASC Elite Trading Group, and we are trying something new today that I didn't think was possible, that I could be recording while on the road traveling. This is how awesome technology is. So we're going to go in depth into Cardano real quick, and I am going to go into what you guys need to know about this, how we're going to trade this in the very near future, and what you guys should be watching out for with Cardano in general. Like I said before, if you guys are already in coins, feel free to stay in those coins. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on this. So we got the Cardano in price discovery, and as you guys can see, it passed that previous level over there where it went into price discovery, and it's just retraced just before the previous resistance and support level. Do you see that? It's kind of hard with touchscreen to do that, but at this level. So I would be looking for that retracement to come right down to this point. However, we need a little bit of leeway from Bitcoin first, which means Bitcoin needs to let go of its dominance a little bit and trend lower while still going sideways to allow room for something like Cardano to play out. Now, the cool thing about this is that I can give you guys the chart before it breaks out in price discovery, so you guys must be looking for that. As you guys saw before as well, there is a huge amount of upside potential with this because it's actually going decentralized. And when it reaches full decentralization, that is going to be absolutely huge for the coin. But the huge thing is actually this. Everything before the news happens on the 31st of March is what you guys and girls need to look out for. Okay, let me repeat this. The news that you guys need to be looking for needs to happen before the news that moves the market, but whether you long term or wait for the trade will mean that you can get the gains, but you must let go of it before the actual news hits. Now, sometimes this plays out where there is a huge spike up after that date of the 31st of March, which is when the news is for. But for something like Cardano, because it is has been such a trade coin and it is within the top 10, a lot of retail are going to be getting into this, which means you guys need to be looking for hype rather than news. Make sense? So the hype of this news that is coming up to happen means that you guys need to be selling before the news actually hits. It's kind of like airdrops in this way. When airdrops comes, most people, they hold on for the airdrop tokens that come with this. But that's bad news for you usually, because when you do this, the spike of the price goes up exponentially during the first phases of this before the airdrop, and then towards the airdrop, people let go of them. Okay? That's why they say, buy the hype, sell the news. Buy the hype, sell the news. That's how the cryptocurrency space works. And again, this does 100% change in bullish markets, but we are not 100% there yet because of what Bitcoin is actually choosing to do right now. So we could see this going to easily the $3 to $5 mark. But again, I'm going to be giving you guys where this is going when the chart is best for you guys and girls. I wouldn't say it's actually now because of what Bitcoin is doing, and we need a decisive 100% bullish follow through from this. However, as you guys can see, like I showed you before, the support resistance level is here at this mark at the 111, which is very, very close to it. Just below that at this mark, as you guys can see. And you guys can see also the next one down is actually the support resistance of this price level, which is not the best at all, just over here. Can you guys see that? That's support resistance and support resistance. So I would be buying just around those levels, but watching for it and not catching falling knives. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? As in, let it retrace first and do a bounce or be about to bounce, like I've shown you guys in the bullish patterns, before you make that decision to buy. You must let this play out, because if you don't and there's no full bullish follow through and it's not going upward, then you're catching falling knives while it is still falling to these next support resistance levels. And sadly, the next support resistance level is actually over here. So before we have massive technical difficulties, I am going to end this right now. Usually I would give you guys this at a computer, actually just pause it on that level and check it out on the graph as well. Very, very important to understand while going for something like this. So that is pretty much it for this. Again, buy the hype, sell the news, and make sure that during the trade up, as you buy this, depending on where it goes to, which would be most likely the $3 to $5 level, because of the circulating supply and the max supply being so high, but also having the possibility of going to that $7 to $10 level. Again, I will give you guys the charts as soon as possible on this, and yeah, huge things for Cardano going forward. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and again, welcome to the ASC Elite Trading Group. Check out those trading videos. Trust me, they will absolutely change your life. I have one more coming out for you guys and girls, one that I really wanted you to check out first, and this will absolutely change your world. It will, 100%, and it will stop you making the mistakes that myself in the past 8 years have made continuously, as well as other people who just get into the crypto space. It'll stop you making those new, very costly mistakes that you need to miss. Okay, catch you guys for the next one. Peace. I put $700,000 in one cryptocurrency, and you guys and girls will get access to the secret cryptocurrency when we hit 100k subscribers. So make sure you're hitting the sub button and the like button, and making sure you are tuned in to the best channel in crypto where we make millionaires, and get that $700,000 cryptocurrency that I have invested in myself. Now, let's get on to today's video next.